Binigyang diin naman po ng palasyo na hindi nila sinisingle out si Sarangani Congressman Manny Pacquiao sa kakulangan niya ng ibinayad na buwis. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, nabigyan po ng sapat na panahon si Pacquiao para kumpletuhin ang mga kailangang dokumento ng Bureau of Internal Revenue.
This is not about him alone or others that are actions that are not being done. Because you've seen the Bureau of Customs na every other week nagfa-file po sila ng charges. Ang BIR din po every other week nagfa-file ho ng charges. So this is not to single him out. As the President said, why would it be harassment? As Commissioner Henares has said, Congressman Pacquiao was given ample time, more than ample time, to comply with not just the summons of but with other requests for the submission of documentation.